Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I got my eyebrows looking from not to hot in times of quarantine, then definitely stay tuned. Okay guys, so you'll need a spoolie brush. I got this from Morphe, and you can use a toothbrush, anything to brush away the hair from your eyebrows. And then I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. foundation brush, and I'm gonna use this to blend the concealer around my eyebrows. Then you need a razor. I got this from my local beauty supply store. You need a tweezer, also from my local beauty supply store. You need the concealer of your choice. I'm using the Pro Conceal by LA Girl. Scissors. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. I didn't use it in this video, but you can definitely use it to shape up. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in chocolate from my eyebrows. It's the brow pomade. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off by tweezing away all the unwanted hair from, around the eyebrow. I've been keeping my eyebrows in pretty good shape since we've been in quarantine, so they don't look that bad. So yeah, and as you can see, my eyebrows are not sisters, not even close. My eyebrows are more like cousins. And I had an incident when I was younger, and I gave myself a cut trying to shape my eyebrows up. I saw my mom doing it in the bathroom one day, and I tried it myself and gave myself a cut. So when the hair started to grow back, it grew back a bit differently, and I like it. I actually prefer this eyebrow to the other one. I don't know why, but yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and tweeze away the hair and brush. Am I the only one that finds pleasure in tweezing? I don't know. I like tweezing. I miss my regular wax sessions, because that gets it more precise. But I like tweezing. Tweezing is fun. So yeah, I'm just gonna go around and tweeze away what I can. And before you do the razor, you can definitely try to shape up your eyebrows with the scissors if you do have hair growing a lot longer than the others. But I didn't have that in this case, so that's why I didn't use the scissors. So after you finish tweezing, you're gonna go ahead and take your razor and just shave away any hair that you did not get by tweezing. And you're just gonna bring the razor really close to the edge of your eyebrows. And by doing that, it gets your eyebrows a bit crisper, because you tweeze, but razor does something a little bit extra that the tweezing couldn't do. And you have to be really gentle now with the razor because you don't want to mess up your eyebrows. So you just want to be really gentle. And remember, you're going to bring it really close to your eyebrows, but not too close where it messes it up. So now that we've finished shaping it up and grooming, we're going to go ahead and fill in our eyebrows. And I'm going to be using the other end of the spoolie brush, taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills a chocolate color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill in the areas that are a bit sparse. And remember to blend. Blending is your friend. So that it doesn't look too harsh. And you can see the difference without it, with it. So it makes a big difference. Okay, and now we're going to be taking the LA Girl Pearl Concealer, and again you can use any concealer of your choice. And we're going to go ahead and just line the eyebrow. And I love this concealer because it comes with a little brush and it gets it really precise. So I love that. And we're going to go ahead and take that foundation brush and blend away. And again, look at the difference without it and with. It makes such a difference. And you can achieve this look at home, you guys. At home. And here is the finished look. We started off rough, but we finished strong. And remember guys, you can achieve this look at home. And if you love this video and would like to see more videos like this, definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I'll see you in another one, you guys. Bye.